Oh, I didn't want to wake you, baby girl. Did I wake you up? I'm sorry. Hey, kitty guy. Go back to sleep, honey. We're gonna go to bed soon, okay? Mommy got up in the middle of the night. Such a good girl.
Hey, kitty, get off my chair.